Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's really out there? Beyond the stars, beyond our galaxy, beyond what our eyes can see, lies a universe so vast, so mysterious, and so mind-blowingly beautiful, it defies imagination. In the next few minutes, we're going to embark on a journey through time and space to understand where we are, how we got here, and what secrets the cosmos still holds. Welcome to the universe. Chapter 1: The Birth of the Universe. The Big Bang. Let's start at the very beginning. 13.8 billion years ago, everything we know, matter, energy, space, and even time, was packed into an unimaginably tiny point. Then, in a fraction of a second, it exploded. This event, known as the Big Bang, wasn't an explosion in space. It was the explosion of space itself. The universe began expanding rapidly, faster than the speed of light, in a process called cosmic inflation. From that hot, dense fireball came the building blocks of everything: atoms, light, and eventually galaxies, stars, and planets. But how do we know this happened? Thanks to scientists like Edwin Hubble, who discovered that galaxies are moving away from us, we know the universe is still expanding. And the afterglow of the Big Bang, known as the cosmic microwave background, gives us a snapshot of the universe just 380,000 years after its birth. Chapter 2: Galaxies, Stars, and Planets. As the universe expanded and cooled, matter began to clump together. Gravity pulled hydrogen and helium into massive clouds, which collapsed to form the first stars and galaxies. Galaxies are the grand cities of the cosmos, each one home to billions or even trillions of stars. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Stars live extraordinary lives. They're born in clouds of dust and gas, burn for millions to billions of years, and die in spectacular ways. Some as red giants, others as supernovae or black holes. And around many stars, planets form. Some rocky like Earth, others gas giants like Jupiter. So far, we've discovered over 5,000 exoplanets in distant star systems. Are we alone among them? Chapter 3: Earth and Our Place in the Universe. Zoom in from the grand scale of galaxies to a small rocky planet orbiting a medium-sized star in a quiet corner of the Milky Way. That's us, planet Earth, the only known place in the universe that harbors life. Earth formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Life began in its oceans, evolved over billions of years, and gave rise to creatures intelligent enough to ask where they came from. We've built telescopes, satellites, and probes, all in the quest to understand our place in the cosmos. Chapter 4: Black Holes and Other Cosmic Mysteries. Let's dive into some of the strangest objects in the universe. Black holes. These are regions of space where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. They form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. At the heart of most galaxies lies a supermassive black hole, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. The one in our galaxy is called Sagittarius A. Then there's dark matter and dark energy, two invisible forces that make up about 95% of the universe. We can't see them, but we know they're there because of the way galaxies move and the way the universe expands. Chapter 5: Time Travel, Multiverse, and the Edge of Knowledge. The universe challenges our understanding of reality. Is time travel possible? Can we warp space? Could there be other universes? Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time and space are connected, and that time moves slower the closer you are to a massive object. So in a sense, time travel is already part of our reality. And what about parallel universes? Some theories suggest there could be an infinite number of them, each with different versions of reality. These ideas are still speculative, but they push the boundaries of what we know. Chapter 6: The Future of the Universe. So what happens next? Will the universe expand forever? Will it slow down and collapse? Or will it just fade into darkness? Most evidence suggests it'll keep expanding faster and faster until galaxies drift apart, stars burn out, and everything goes cold. A future known as the heat death of the universe. But new discoveries could change everything. That's the beauty of science. It's always evolving. We are made of star stuff. The atoms in your body were forged in the heart of stars billions of years ago. You are the universe, becoming aware of itself. As we explore, discover, and dream, we're writing the next chapter in the story of the cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars, you're looking at history. You're looking at home. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the universe. Stay curious. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe and beyond. This is Truth Scope, where curiosity meets discovery. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.